So on this project, I'm going to put some trim boards up top to make it look like the cabinets go all the way to the ceiling. It's just going to be a decorative finish. Let me show you how I'm going to do that. When you're working alone and you got to put a long board like this up all by yourself, here's a trick. Measure your board so you know how wide it is. This one's 5.5 inches. This is what the project is going to look like when it's complete. So as you can see, on the sides, there are verticals going up and down the sides, about 3 inches wide. So staying within the 3 inches wide, I'm going to come down from the ceiling about 6 inches, and I'm going to put a screw semi into the wall here. Measure down 6 inches. I'm just going to drive a screw in semi. When you're ready to nail it up, just go ahead and do this. Now as you can see, I have the other end rested on the screw. Just make sure that when you bring it up that you keep it over that screw, keep the pressure that way so it doesn't slide off, and nail your other end. Once you have it up where you need it, just go ahead and drop a couple nails in the end. And go do the other side. And now you can walk your way across the board with your nails till you get to the other side, pushing up against the ceiling if that's what you need to do along the way. Hope that helps you. Don't forget to subscribe.